Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Rover background check problem. So if the background check button is freezing, failing, or failing to load on the Rover mobile app, you can start by trying a web browser. The Rover app can sometimes glitch during external third-party redirects, such as those used by Checker or First Advantage. So what you can do is head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Now log into rover.com. Once you go to the website, log into your account, then attempt to pay for complete the background check there. Now the next what you can do is update and reinstall the mobile app. If you must use the app, just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find Rover. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next what you can do is delete the existing app and then download. Now the next what you can do is delete the existing app and then go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then re-download it again. Now sometimes background checks stall because the screening company needs more information to verify your identity. Just go to your Gmail, then tap on the three-line menu at the top left corner and then go to spam or junk folder. Now follow the links in the email to provide the necessary documents, for example, driver's license or additional personal information. Now, if your background check is stuck in the processing phase for more than a few days, you have to contact the platform directly. Just use the Rover Help Center to submit a support ticket. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.